All right, what's up guys? I'm Cameron with Z1 Off-Road. I'm here to introduce you to the full brake kit for your Nissan Frontier or Nissan Xterra. And this is super cool because now we have single piece rotors available. We have single piece rotors available front and rear in drilled and slotted or blank configurations. We also have, if you're feeling like dropping the extra coin on something nicer, we have a two-piece rotor available for the front. What's cool about these is they have directional vanes that help cool the brakes more efficiently. Okay, why do I need the big brake kit? You need the big brake kit if you have big wheels and tires. That's a lot of rotating mass to slow down. If you have a bunch of camping gear on top of your rig, or if you're looking to do some towing or any sort of hauling, you're gonna wanna have this extra thermal capacity to slow down more safely. So like I mentioned, we now have brakes available for the rear of your truck. As some of you are aware of, we have had brakes available for the front for a long time now, but now we have single piece rotors available for all four corners. What's nice about these rotors too, they're non-directional, so you can put them on either side, unlike the directional two-piece rotors. These kits are gonna come with stainless steel brake lines. These are gonna give you extra stopping power, prevent those lines from bulging or deforming while you're under heavy braking. And then they're gonna come with two sets of banjo bolts. One is going to be longer, and that's your OEM length. That comes with our stainless steel brake lines already. Then we have this shorter banjo bolt that's going to come for these forged Z1 street calipers. The reason why we have that, and we just want to make this very clear to everyone so they don't mess up their calipers, the forged calipers will be damaged if you install the longer banjo bolt in them. There's not enough threads there, and you will strip the threads out if you try and tighten this down with the longer banjo bolt. So make sure you use that short one. We have a whole array of colors available for you. We have red, we have yellow, we have black. So we have a whole array of colors to fit whatever your rig's outfit is. These kits are going to come standard with Motul brake fluid .4. That's going to give you extra capacity for heat. And all these calipers are going to be compatible with Akebono style brake pads. So we carry those here at z1offroad.com. You have a wide range of options for you there. We have our street pads, we have all the way up to track pads if that's what you're looking for. You should be able to get those nice and easily through us. So like I mentioned, the front there is just bolt on, it's pretty plug and play. There's a little bit of cutting you're gonna have to do in the rear to clear that brake shield and a couple other things in there. But what's cool about it is that right here we have this bracket that bolts up to the factory locations right here, and then it positions the caliper in the proper spot to have the correct offset to line up with these rotors. So these are gonna be rock solid in the rear and ready to go. Something else to mention, our Z1 ATK06 wheels will clear these 14-inch brakes, no problem. And you may be wondering, well, is that because they're 18s? They're 17-inch wheels, so you have all the tire options you could ever think of. If you're interested in putting a big brake kit on your truck, head on over to z1offroad.com, get yourself a set today.